My name is Winsom, and I'm a multimedia visual artist mainly, and I market my work in many different ways throughout the United States and around the world, my artwork. And I do a lot of marketing through doing magazine covers with my artwork and cards, and I also have a line of textiles. So I market right across the universe.
What kind of magazines would
Things like the Canadian Women's Journal and different magazine. I just finished a book cover for, I can't remember the name of the publishers in the States, so I market across different places.
Can you tell me about the Winston Pollard Show?
The Winston Pollard Show, which is at the Kashiba Gallery, which is owned by Wavenly Job, and it's a wonderful gallery. It's very new, and it's dealing mainly with Black contemporary artists and African art from outside, from the motherland. And she incorporates contemporary Black artists with the African pieces, and the show is called The Spirit Keepers, and it's basically art around spirituality, things that are coming from us and dealing with our life. At least with my work, it's dealing with my life. The piece behind me is called in English The Spirit Keepers, because all my work I actually give Swahili names or African names to my pieces, but translated it means, since it's for an English audience, this piece is called The Spirit Keepers, and it's basically the doll from the fertility doll from Ghana, and the whole work came through a dream, just what I should do, and it was just the actual doll that was being painted at first by me, and then the snakes came in with all the writing on it, and just the pieces that, you know, the writing, it's all I can't think, it just came. It just came.
The Woman I Am.
The Woman I Am was just a play piece. I was actually playing around with The Woman I Am. I had paint left on, it's an oil piece, and I had paint left on my palette, and I just wanted to use it up, so I was just playing around with that piece. So from my artwork, I would like people to feel whatever is coming from it. I've done shows like the shows where people have come and they just keep coming back to find out what it means to them. I've been told that I did a show once and this woman just kept coming back and sitting in front of the altarpiece that I'd created and was just crying and praying, and I don't know where it affected her, but for me that's what I want to happen. When people look at it, it changes something in their life, something within themselves, whether it makes them acknowledge that there is somebody much greater than them, the Great Spirit. People call them God, Allah, whatever, but I want them to acknowledge that this Great Spirit is there who leads and guides us, and acknowledge our ancestors, where it doesn't matter if you're white, black, or whatever, Asian, it's that we all have ancestors and we're all connected, we're all part of the Great Spirit, and therefore we're interrelated, so we should acknowledge and accept each other. And if I hurt somebody from somebody else, then I'm hurting myself because I'm part of that person. And so when I do my artwork, that's some of the things I think about. It's not just painting for the sake of painting, it's trying to make links with all race and people, because I think in the next century you're going to find everybody's acknowledging that we are related, and that through that process we're going to overcome a lot of stuff. Da 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 da.
Cool.